Okay, so today I want to demonstrate to you how you can use your iPad as a second screen for your MacBook. I have to travel quite often and have to go on business trips, and sometimes in the hotel room I wish I would have a second screen, and that's why I have my iPad like this one here. And as you can see, it's pretty easy to slide from one screen to the other. I do not have them connected with a wire, as you see. They just need to be in the same Wi-Fi network. So once you have connected them, what you want to do, you want to go in here, which is called displays, and then you want to make sure that you arrange them like I did. So you see here it reads Andy's iPad, and then you can actually tell the system how they are arranged, and that's just important because if you scroll with your mouse, you want to make sure it scrolls in the right direction. And if you want to know how to enable this, it's pretty easy. You need to go to this one here, and then you see it reads screen mirroring, right? And then you just choose what you want. So I already have chosen my iPad, and then you can actually say use as a separate display, or you could mirror this one. Well, that could make sense. Let's say you sit together with a customer, and the customer would sit opposite to you on the other side of the table, and you want to show your screen or share the screen with them. So you could use that iPad and just put it in front of your computer, and they would be able to see exactly the same thing. You see, so I just clicked on mirror it, and that's the thing I just told you. Now, whatever we do on one, it does it on the other one. In my application, that doesn't make sense, so I use it as a separate screen, as you can see here. And so I could actually just use that, for instance, when I do video editing or some other stuff where I maybe want to have a PDF file open here, and then I'll do some work here. So you see, it's actually pretty easy and pretty neat